Alright, so I picked up this supposedly from the 1940s air compressor last week, and it's never had the oil changed in it that the previous owner knew of, so I'm going to do that this morning. But I had an old Craftsman oilless stand-up 30-gallon unit that was crazy loud, and I sold it to a co-worker and picked this up on a Craigslist ad, so really happy with it so far. Haven't really used it much. I'm going to plug it in here just to show how it runs. So it's really pretty quiet. Anyway, that's it. Really happy with it.